Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by checking basics. On your iPhone XR, open Settings and verify iOS 13 or later. Dark mode is system level there. Once done, tap Display and Brightness and switch to dark so apps that follow system appearance will adapt. Make sure Instagram is updated. Open App Store, check updates, and install any Instagram update. If Instagram is already open, swipe up to close it so the app will relaunch using the system appearance settings. Now you'll configure Instagram itself. Open Instagram and go to your profile, then tap the three-line menu and choose Settings. Look for Appearance or Theme. If Instagram shows that option, set it to Follow System so it respects iPhone dark mode. If there's no appearance setting, Instagram uses the system by default. Relaunch the app to confirm. You may also toggle system dark mode off and on to force the app to redraw in dark colors. This refreshes the UI immediately. Finish by relaunching Instagram to ensure the theme takes effect. You should now see Instagram in dark colors. If not, toggle iPhone dark mode off and on in Settings, Display and Brightness to force the change. If that still fails, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to clear cached settings, then repeat the steps. If problems persist, check iOS updates and restart your iPhone XR. A restart often resolves lingering appearance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.